Today in this video, I will show you how to use the auto clicker on Android. Auto tapping apps typically work with a movable or floating control panel, allowing you to start, stop, and pause your taps. So let me show you step by step. Step 1, download auto clicker from the Play Store, then open the app and tap on OK and tap on installed service and tap on auto clicker, then turn on the auto clicker. Step 2, enable single or multiple targets. For example, I will enable multiple targets for this video. Step 3, now you can see a sidebar with play, plus, and undo setting icons. Now to test the auto clicker, I will open one YouTube video, then to add the target. You can tap on the plus and it will add the target. Well, you can still add another target. Now you can use this target to auto click anywhere you wish to. Also, I have set the auto clicker for 1 and 2 milliseconds. So I will use both of these targets on YouTube's like and dislike button. Now, once you are ready to send a massive number of auto clicks, you can tap on the play button. And as you can see, it's liking and disliking video at the same rate. And yes, with this method, you can destroy YouTube like button. And I am not joking, you really can do this because YouTube like and dislike buttons are broken. To stop the clicks, simply tap on the play button and go to the app and disable the multiple target mode. So yeah, this is how you guys can use auto click R. So you can use this for your use. I won't recommend destroying YouTube buttons. Instead, just like the video if you found this video useful. Check out this video if you want to become a Linux nerd. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.